we're back. Sorry about that. Kind of got stuck digging this hole right here. Marley got over there. He's trying to get to ball. The chicken. He doesn't like ball. So I hope that's a pretty good view, cause that.
Just come over here.
I'm moving right now.
Okay,
I'm back in this hole. It sucks a lot. I'm getting near. Oh dang, sorry. I'm getting near that chicken over there. Right there.
The big one.
But I can't show you that yet because I'm not there.
Man, I don't know how to handle feeding chickens.
So pretty much, I'm gonna like shove my body over here, and hopefully get my hands on a chicken. I'm gonna pull my. Oh, sorry. That's my work mat. Here's the feed bag.
UPS is here, Zane.
Dang. Oy. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm back at the end of this
I found a ball.
tunnel.
I found a ball.
My brother found a ball. He threw it at a chicken. Okay. Here's the ball he found.
I'm going for the end.
I'm pretty much there.
I'm out.
Why?
I saw a huge spider, man.
What type?
I have no idea, but it's huge.
Where? Dude, he's freaked out. Sorry, I didn't notice. He bumped the camera. So, oh my God. I thought I was afraid of spiders. I am.
I think it's a black widow, Zane.
Oh, no, it isn't. Sorry, we're gonna have to cut this. No, it isn't. But shut up. You're just trying to scare me. It's obviously not working.
I need a better way to get to it.